Hello everyone, my name is Evelyn and this is Vivi's Kitchen. I'm going to teach you how to make Katayef today. We make Katayef for a long time. This is made mostly in Ramadan, in the summertime, and it's a Middle Eastern sweet that it could be made with walnuts and cheese or coconut. So today we're going to make ours with walnuts, but I'm going to show you first how to make the dough. So the dough is made of 4 cups of sifted flours. This is sifted flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons starch, 2 tablespoons dry milk, half a cup of Smeed, which is the fine semolina, 2 tablespoons of Ater, 1.5 teaspoon of yeast, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And we have here 4 cups of warm water. You may need more, it depends on the flour we use. So first we're gonna add the flour in the mixer. This is all sifted white flour. We're gonna add the Smeed, the dry semolina. Well, semolina is dry anyway. Fine semolina. Dry milk. Cornstarch. Cornstarch gives it a little bit of crunch. That's when you make it crunchy. It tastes crunchy. Sugar gives it a little bit sweetener. And we're gonna put the salt, just like a dash of salt. And we're gonna mix it all together. So now we add yeast, and the cutter. The cutter makes it white, makes the color of it white. You'll see when we cook it. And then very slowly we'll add the water. Welcome back everyone. Now after 20 minutes of mixing, the dough is ready, but we're gonna let it rest for at least half an hour so it will cook really good with us. See how smooth it is, and it will get smoother after it rests. So what we do, we're gonna cover it with a plastic wrap and let it rest for half an hour. In the meantime, Ater, you can't eat Katayef without Ater. Ater is sugar syrup that it's made for Middle Eastern sweets. So I have here 2 cups of sugar, and I used this cup for the sugar. You could use measuring cups, you could use bigger cups, it doesn't matter. It is 2 cups sugar to 1 cup of water. So we turn the stove on and we put the water, and then we'll mix it up a little bit till it boils. So now this is boiled. We just put the 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. And we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of Blossom Water. It gives it good flavor. not too much. It smells so good. And we'll let this boil for another, I would say, 5 minutes. And the trick for your simple syrup or ater does not turn back into sugar, because a lot of people it turns back into sugar with them, is brush the sides of your pan with just water, and trust me, your syrup will stay in the fridge for like 2 months. Nothing will happen to it. I'm going to show you how we did the walnuts. I'll take a little bit of walnuts on a cutting board, and then with a rolling pin I'll just break them. Because if you put them in a mixer, they turn into powder. But this way you'll have chunks. I think that's good. So I have here about 2 pounds of walnuts. You might not need all 2 pounds, but I'm making a lot today. 4 tablespoons of cinnamon. Let's use, I had a measuring spoon, it's better. Four tablespoons, and we'll mix it up. Five tablespoons of sugar, and we're gonna use Katayef or Ater. I call it Ater, but some people say Katayef for sweetener. And I'm gonna use some Ater. I always have Ater on hand all the time. I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of Ater. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also another flavor I like to put in here is nutmeg. And I just like to put about 1/4 of a teaspoon of a nutmeg. It gives it good flavor. Alright guys, the dough is ready now, and we could make some Katayef. And we'll put it on a medium high. And you're gonna see a bunch of bubbles come up. It should take like 30 seconds, not longer than that. And after 30 seconds, it will look like this. And the bottom looks like this. That's perfect Katayef to me. And it looks good in the back. So the way you stuff them, you just put a little bit of walnuts, and then we'll close them like this. Make sure you close the sides really good, because you either can fry these or bake them. They're better fried, but if you want to do the healthy version, you bake them. So now we'll either fry or bake. We're gonna fry these because it tastes so much better. Oh, sorry about that. It looks like the stove. The stove is too hot. I don't know why my stove was popping, but it's okay. I will put them in the syrup. We'll come back for you when we present them. This is the end. Okay guys, this is all done. I know this video took a long time to do, but this is the results. This is with walnuts, and this is with cheese, and we put the simple syrup Ater on them, and they look awesome, delicious, very crunchy. Thank you for watching my video on how to make Katayef. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.